In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer move files from one OneDrive account to another. 5 minutes. First, sign into your Microsoft account in a web browser. Once you're in, open the app launcher, the small grid icon you'll see near the top left, and choose OneDrive. This takes you to your cloud files. Head to My Files so you're looking at the main list of folders and documents you own. Find the folder you want to move to the other account and select it. With the folder highlighted, click Share. In the sharing window, type the email address of your other OneDrive account, the one that should receive the files. Before sending, make sure the permission is set to Can Edit. This is important because edit access allows the destination account to make a full copy of the content rather than just viewing it. Now you can either click Send to email an invitation to that account or choose Copy Link if you'd rather grab a secure link and open it from the other account yourself. Both options work. Send is simpler, while copy link is handy if you're switching browsers or devices. Next, go to the other OneDrive account. If you're using the same browser, you can use a private window or a different browser to avoid sign-in conflicts. In that second account, open the shared page. This is where you'll see items shared with you. Locate the folder you just shared, select it, and click Copy To. Choose where in your My Files you want the folder to live and start the copy. This creates a true copy under the destination account, preserving the folder structure and files. If you don't need a full copy and simply want quick access to the same folder from both accounts, you can choose Add Shortcut to My Files instead. That creates a shortcut back to the original folder for easy collaboration. For an actual transfer where the second account owns its own copy, use Copy To. Once the copy finishes, open My Files in the destination account to confirm everything is there. Large folders may take a little time to process, so be patient and keep the tab open. Also, make sure the destination account has enough storage space. If it's close to the limit, clear some space before copying. That's it. The files are now available in the second OneDrive account. After you verify the copy, you can manage sharing on the original folder if you no longer need access from both sides. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.